How to make Instagram go back to normal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram go back to normal. If you have been experiencing issues with your Instagram, don't worry. This method is quick and easy and it should help resolve almost any error you are facing. So let's get started. First, you need to exit the Instagram app and then you need to go to your iPhone settings. Simply tap on settings located at your home screen. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and then tap on general. Now, you need to tap on iPhone storage option. From here, you need to scroll down and find the Instagram app. Simply tap on it and here you can see the offload app option. Try offloading the app. This does not delete your data, but you might have to enter your password again. Once you have offloaded the app, you need to go back to the App Store and then search for Instagram and then you need to download the app again. And that's it. I hope this video will help you clear the cache or reset the app settings. This is crucial as it helps to refresh app and can fix many common issues. And that's it. This simple process should help your Instagram function properly again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.